Morning student. Today we will discuss using a fill effect. So students, what is a fill effects? Fill effects allow you to apply a gradient, texture or picture to your object. हम एक ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर ग्रेडियंट, टेक्सचर और पिक्चर जो इफेक्ट है उसके ऊपर अप्लाई करेंगे, उसके ऊपर फिल करेंगे, उसको हम बोलेंगे fill effect. So students, you have already know that how you can open the Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. First, you will open the Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Then you will follow the one by one step. Apply a fill effects on your objects. First step, click on the Insert tab. You can see this is the Insert tabs. Then next, click on the Insert Shape buttons. Select any shape from the drop down menu. You can select any shape from the drop down menu. Suppose I have select this shape from this drop down menu. You can select any one shape. Then next, draw the shape on your slide. फिर आपको इस शेप को स्लाइड के ऊपर ड्रॉ कर लेना है. Draw the shape on your slide. Then next, click on the shape fill button in drawing group on the home tab. फिर आपको इस होम टैब के अंदर जो ड्राइंग ग्रुप है उसमें जो शेप फिल बटन है उसके ऊपर क्लिक करना है. यू कैन सी दिस इज द शेप फिल बटन. Okay. So students, using the fill effects, you can apply one by one effects on your object. First effect is a gradient. हम पहले gradient effect के बारे में सीखेंगे. So students, select the gradient option. Select the gradient option. You can see this is a gradient option. Select the desired color scheme from the display list. तो इसमें से आपको कोई भी color scheme select करनी है and you can apply these color schemes to your object. Suppose I have select these color schemes and apply on my objects. You can select any one color schemes and apply to your objects. Suppose I have select these color schemes. Okay, you can see this gradients colors change. Then next, once again click on these shape fill buttons. Click on these gradient options. Then next, click on this more gradient options. When you will click on this more gradient options, you can see the format shape dialog box opens on your screen. Then next, select the gradient fill radio button. You can see this is a gradient fill radio buttons, and click on the preset color button Select the desired color scheme from the drop down list. Select the desired color scheme from the drop down list. Suppose I have select this color scheme from this drop down list. You can select any one color schemes and apply to your object. Okay, I have select this color scheme. Then next, click on close button. You can see the gradient fill effects apply on these objects. So you can select any one gradient options. You can select more gradient options, and you can apply gradient effects on your objects. Second effects, textures. Similarly, you can follow the previous steps. First click on the insert tabs. Next click on these shape buttons. You can draw any shape. You can draw any shape on your slide. Suppose I have select this shape. You can select any shape. You can select any shape and draw the shape on your slide. Then next click on the shape fill button. Click on the shape fill button in the drawing group on the home tab. You can see this is a drawing group, and in this drawing group you can see this is a shape fill buttons available. Then click on the shape fill buttons. Then next click on this texture buttons. You can see this is a texture buttons. Similarly, we can fill textures by selecting the pictures or texture fill option. Then next click on the more texture buttons. When you will click on this more texture buttons, you can see format shape dialog box open on your screen. So we can fill textures by selecting the picture और टेक्सचर फिल ऑप्शन. तो इसमें से आपको पिक्चर्स और टेक्सचर फिल ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट कर लेना है. देन नेक्स्ट क्लिक ऑन द टेक्सचर बटन्स. फिर ये टेक्सचर बटन के ऊपर क्लिक कर देना है. अ ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट अपीयर्स विद इनबिल्ट टेक्सचर्स. फिर आपको सामने एक ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट अपीयर हो जाएगी. उसमें बहुत सारे इनबिल्ट टेक्सचर्स है. सिलेक्ट एनी टेक्सचर्स फ्रॉम द लिस्ट. फिर इसमें से आपको कोई भी टेक्सचर सिलेक्ट कर लेना है. यू कैन सिलेक्ट एनी टेक्सचर्स फ्रॉम द लिस्ट. Suppose I have select these textures and apply on this my objects. You can select any one textures from the list and you can apply these textures on to your objects. Next effect, pictures. To insert a picture as a texture. अगर आपको texture के अंदर picture इंसर्ट करना है तो क्लिक ऑन द क्लिप आर्ट buttons. You can see this is a clip art buttons on the format picture dialog box. The select picture dialog box will appear. Choose a pictures. When you will click on this clip art buttons on the format picture dialog box, you can see the picture dialog box. Select picture dialog box opens on your screens. Choose a pictures of your choice. इसमें से आप कोई भी picture choose कर सकते हैं as depends on your choice. Suppose I have select these pictures. Then next click on OK and close the format picture dialog box. You can see the pictures inserts on my object. You can select any one pictures and you can insert any one pictures to your object. So students, you will follow these steps and you can perform the practicals on your computers using the field effects. Various field effects available in this field effect sections like gradient, textures or pictures. You can follow the steps and you can apply various effects on your objects. So thank you students.